Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to join Premium in BiliBili. To join into Premium or to subscribe to BiliBili Premium, you'll need to follow through a simple step. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser. Type in bilibili.tv in the URL box and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage after signing in, you will be able to see a premium option at the top right corner in pink color. Click on the premium button. This will then show you different subscription options. Example: annual, quarterly, monthly, standard quarter, standard year, standard month options. Choose your preferred plan from the options and click on it to select it. Now under select payment method, choose one of the available payment methods. Here it's PayPal for now, so let me go ahead and click on PayPal. Finally, click on Subscribe Now button at the bottom and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. And that way you should be able to join Premium in BiliBili. The BiliBili Premium has its benefits like ad-free viewing, exclusive content, and higher video resolution. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.